Hello guys, and welcome to the first KCUK how-to video. Today I'll be showing all admins how to edit the website and change everything about it. So here we go. First off, you need to open your browser. Go to www.webs.com, then log into your account. I'll sign in now. Then on this page you got manage accounts, or you got the edit the site. Click edit the site. Let it load. Alright, on this page, this is like your main page, shows you all the different pages we've got at the moment. On here you can edit, view, change settings, protect it, so put password over it and stuff like that. To move stuff, you just move it up and down like I'm doing now, and make sure you always click the save after. Let it save. And up here you got add applications. Through the add applications you can a load of different applications you can have. These are just a few of them at the moment, but yeah, after you've found one you want, click install. I'm going to install this one because it's not really one that I want to put on, but it should automatically put it on, either creates a new page or whatever. Right, let's add a new page. You get to add page, you get a standard setup, or you can add a app page, or you can get an external website, but let's go standard and let's get standard setup. Let's call this the test page. There we go. Then click create page. Oh, it's not loading. There we go. It takes a while to load. Bear with it. And then for me, you've got your text, titles, you've got images, image text, slideshow, videos, audio, button, and forms. I'll show you what each one does in a minute. Some of them are pretty explanatory, but I'll show you how to get them up there and edit them. Let's start off with title. Put it in. Right, it's pretty much like a Word document, as you can tell. Just change the size of everything, colour, and all this. Let's just change it. Change the font. There we go. It's not really changed it much, but oh well. You can have a little icon next to it, so go for a little tick. Apart from that, you can make the size bigger, put it left, right, centre, etc, etc. But you can have links. Right, links will set this one to either web page, email, file. But we'll go for just a normal page and about us. There we go. And then you can remove it or change it after that. Let's insert an image. The image, just double click it like it says there. You can either get a free image off the internet, get a URL, or you can just download one yourself. We'll just go for the Black Ops man here. Sorted. You can change the size of it up, down. You can crop it a bit, quick in, quick out, zoom in, zoom out. Pretty self-explanatory. You can change left, right, centre. You can put a frame around it. Let's go for the tape because I like the tape. And as well as that, you can put links on again, like you got your email, web page, file, an extra one, black box, but it's not really new using. Put to photo gallery, sorted. Back to centre. You can insert an image and text, just makes it look a bit more neater, but yeah. If I don't want that, I just click the LLX, delete. Also the little tab bits, you can move them up or down, and if you don't want that there, like undo, redo. Simple enough. Don't forget always to publish this. You need to always publish. Just keep publishing. Publish will save it automatically, or else if it doesn't, if you don't publish it, you might lose all your work. Let's put a video in here. The videos are a bit different. It's not complicated. You just need to know what you're doing. Double click it. You can either upload a video, type in a keyword to YouTube, or an embedded code. Right then, let's go to YouTube. Let's go to, if you want FPS's videos, click copy embedded code. That's all you need to do. Click that, then we paste it into this box, and then it's there. Insert the video. The video will not automatically show up, but it will do later. You don't. Same as the pictures, you can change it around left, right, centre. Put a little frame around it. Let's get rid of the tape again because it just looks pretty cool. And that's the video's done. Let's move on to the button audios. Audio, simple enough. Click it in, double click it, or click upload audio. You can upload a file. I'll put Pretender on, but obviously I won't keep it there because copyrights, etc. And then just delete that again with the little X, and then it's gone. Then let's put a button in. Some buttons, simple enough. It's like weird text. Type in what you want. Let's put home. Oh, put it in cap. Let's put home. Let's change the colours and stuff around. Put it to red. There we go. So red. Let's go for black writing after this. We'll put the size up. Oh, it's not. There we go. So you have to make sure you click on it. It's not working for me. Highlight it yet. There we go. Now let's put an icon actually first. We get a little tick next to it. Make it a bit bigger. You can go center again. Change bold icon. Let's change this to black now. There we go. It's pretty simple enough. That is. Just wait for the link to load. Don't forget you need to put the link on yourself. It's the same as last time. Just do it in my pages and then home. Sorted. There's the link. You can see it's working because it's slightly changing colour when I hover over it. That's that one. Alright, I'll put form in. Let's get a form in. Right then, forms, simple enough. That's what it looks like at the moment. If you double click it, you can see the fields. Let's add another field. Right then, let's put a checkbox. Let's put another option and just click it. Type it. Simple enough. Right then, let's make this a required field, so they have to do it. And as you see, it's all there. You can move stuff around easy, same as before. Let's delete a field. Let's click delete. Yep. Right then, that's what it looks like. You can go to, don't forget to save it. You go to settings next, and then it shows you that you go to my email address. Then you can type in your own little note to them after they completed, so they know. Move it to the left or top, and then click save, and it's saved on there. Sorted. Right then, let's move that up a bit. There we go. Let's move home to the top. Don't forget to publish it after you've done something in case you do lose your work. It's not fun. It's happened to me many a times. Right then, let's get a map on this now. You just drag it in, simple enough. Then you can change the size of it, drag it out, drag it in. Right, let's delete it. Around. So let's get to layout. Right, you've got two columns, three columns, or a combo. Combo is everything basically in one. Makes it simpler for you. You just click it to edit, change everything. There we go. And just, yeah, simple enough. Let's delete that, don't want that there. Then we've got column 2. Let's put column 2 in. Right, you get two columns. You can change the size of them, but let's show you something with the video. Let's move the video into one of the boxes. And see, it's got half of it cut out. I don't know why it does that, it just does, but when you just click the move, it automatically ranges it. You can move it outwards, but you can't move it back in. You can't small it, it's a stupid thing. Oh well. Right then, if you don't want the column, just delete one of the column sections, and there you go, you got the one column again. Obviously the same with three columns. Let's put a spacer in next. Spacers, space simple, just create a big space in between stuff in case you want to even stuff out. See, simple enough, drag it and release. Delete that though. Then we've got a divider. Divider is basically the same as a spacer, but yeah, let's change it, but it's a bit fancy. You get some fancy squiggles in the middle of stuff. You can't see it at the moment, so I'll just change the colour because we're in a dark setting. There we go, put it onto light. Slightly see it better. I'll just choose one. There we go. Slightly see it better. Looks crappy to be honest, but it does help with some certain stuff. Right, let's put HTML in. This is so you can put chat boxes, pictures, basically any app you want. You have to get a HTML code for it though, so let's go to cool text. Let's get a button. Get the HTML code. It normally looks a bit like all this writing, but I'll just select some of it at the moment because the rest is just for copyright reasons. You have to copy it in, but I don't want to. Just make sure if you do say copyright, put the copyrights at the bottom of the page because we don't want to get done for copyright in whatever you want to call it. There we go, sorted. Let's go to social now. You got all these social ones, Twitter, Facebook, Let's put one of these social links in, double click it. You got different ones. Let's just have the username in. KCUK 1, and then click the tick. Save changes. Comes up with a little button to take us to it. Next, we'll put in Twitter feed and webs. We don't want that. Automatically comes up with webs, so you have to put it in yourself. KCUK. Okay. Oh, forgot to put cuts. No, wait that. Stupid me forgets to put in the UK as well. Let's change it to the UK. There we go. Get it done. Right then. There we go, finally came up. As you can see, it shows the recent tweets. Not many of you use Twitter at the moment, but make sure you use it. Right then, let's just delete this minute. No, I'll keep it on actually. Won't make a difference. Yeah, let's clear up the page. Let's delete some stuff. In comments, you've got PayPal, Google, Donate. We don't really need to bother with them. Members area shows you just sign in and register. Simple enough. If you want on a page, put it on. Recent photos shows all of our recent lovely photos. Newest shows our newest people / photos, etc. Don't know why I'm there because I'm not new on it, but oh well. Recent post just shows what's recently been up, so these are all the ones that no one are using, so get using them. Then you got recent blog, which is basically our recent news. Just keep an eye out for that for all upcoming events, etc. Right then, that's that. Right, don't forget to publish it, just save it again. Keep reminding you to publish. Just close that then. Wait till the congratulations signs come as well before you close it, because many times I've made that mistake. And as you can see down there, the video wasn't showing. I'll just show you that it does actually work, don't worry, just wait for the home to load. Oh, come on, computer's going to go slow today. Sorted, there we are. Please wait while loading site. Yes, okay. Scroll down, as you can see, it's not there, or the globe isn't there either. So if you go on there, see our lovely video from Hyper's there, and you can see someone from Dublin. So that's Fergie, I'm guessing, has been on the site today. Just shows you through from where it's coming on. Simple enough. that globe is also a HTML link, so you can get many more apps like that. Thanks for watching part 1 of how to edit the website. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks to YouTube, I've had to split this up into 2, so just stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.